As a business owner, you know that you need to be making videos that generate more sales for your company. But which videos should you make first? Trust me, you're not the only one with this question. I've been training business owners all across the country on how to make video strategies that actually will generate revenue for your company. And today I'm going to share with you the top 7 videos that every business owner needs to make. Stay tuned, it's Owen Video. Owen Video! I'm Owen Video, and I help amazing companies create videos that create customers with video sales funnels. And if you want to grow your business with video, subscribe to my channel right now. Let's get started with today's video. What's up, homie? Glad you're back. I'm Owen Video, and if it's your first time on the channel, this is where we teach business owners how to use video that will drive more traffic, generate more leads, and close more sales for your business. If that sounds like your thing, then don't forget to subscribe. Brand new videos every single week. Now, before we get into these 7 videos, there's a couple things I need you to know. Number 1, these aren't the only 7 videos that you should make, but they are the first videos that you should make. Number 2, all of these videos work together as part of a larger video marketing funnel. The video marketing funnel is the proven process that my company uses to help your company make videos that actually generate revenue. So get the idea out of your head that all you need is one amazing video and your sales are gonna blow up. That's a lie from the devil. In reality, you're gonna need a library of videos that each accomplish a different task. We're gonna cover those right now. Video number 1, you need a main company overview. Think about this video as your About Us video. It should be about the company. It should cover the 3 core differences that your company brings to the marketplace. It should explain who your target customer is. It should clarify the value that you bring to the marketplace. And this should be a higher quality production video. This video should be about 90 seconds, but can be as long as 3 minutes. You should use this video on the homepage of your website. You should use this video to send out to your clients. You can use this video as your channel trailer for your YouTube channel. You can also use this video as the featured video on your Facebook page or your Twitter profile, if anybody out there is still using Twitter. Video number 2 is your Who Am I video. This is going to be a video that focuses specifically on you as a person. Now, even though you're going to be showing a little bit of your personal side here, keep in mind this is still a business video. This video is designed to send to your new leads after you first meet with them. You meet someone at a trade show and they want to hear more from you, send them your Who Am I video so they start to see the human side of your business and they can relate to that. If you've got salespeople and customer service people, you should make them a video as well. Follow the same basic format in each video. Introduce who the person is, what it is that they do, why they love what they do, and maybe include one personal hobby or a personal fact that creates that human connection with the viewer. So say something like, and I love golf, or I have 3 kids, or something like that. Video number 3 is your main product page or landing page video. This is extremely important, and you may have a variety of core products and services that you want to make a video for. This video is designed to convert your new leads into sales and really should only focus on the features and benefits of the core product or service. This video goes on the landing page only. Now, before I move on, let's take a look at how these first 3 videos all work together. So imagine a customer walks into your store or sees you at a trade show. That's where they see your company overview and they ask you to keep in touch. Then when you send a follow-up email, you include a link to your Who Am I video. Now, I've got a fantastic training on how to send video in an email, and you can check that out right here. Then when the customer responds to your email and says they'd like to know more, you can send them a link directly to your main product or service landing page where they'll see that third video that convinces them to make a purchase. Doesn't that make a ton of sense? Okay, let's move on to video number 4, your Facebook video ad. Now, your Facebook video ad should be about 30 seconds to 1 minute long. You can also use this video as a YouTube ad. The whole purpose of this video should be to drive your leads or your retargeting list over to your landing page where you already have a high converting video. If you want to know more about what a retargeting list is and why it will absolutely catapult your sales, check out this video here. Your Facebook video ad should follow a very simple problem solution formula and ask viewers to click on the link if they want to learn more. Number 5 is your animated logo bumper, or what we call your video bumper. This is where you take your logo and animate it into a high impact 3 to 5 second video that will go in front of all of your other videos. You're going to use this video to create branding and awareness and consistency across all of your videos. So here's a mega tip. Don't go making 5 of these. It's only going to confuse your viewers. Make one animated logo bumper and use it in all of your videos for like a year. Now, this looks great in front of all of your existing videos, but can also be used as a regular video post on Instagram or Facebook, and it can be also uploaded to your Facebook Live or your YouTube live streams to brand your live videos. Video number 6 is a square video meme template. A square video meme is a square-shaped video that's designed for social shareability on Facebook and Instagram. Animoto reports that square videos in the Facebook newsfeed get 22% more shares than widescreen videos. And that's a big deal. So as you create video content for your YouTube channel or in FAQ form, you can reuse those videos in a square video meme template that will get more views and more shares on Facebook and Instagram. Now, we have an entire course on how to make square video meme templates using only your mobile device, and you can check that out right up here. And finally, video number 7 is a testimonial video. Now, ideally, you should get multiple testimonial videos, and as a business owner, you should have a system in place inside your company to be capturing testimonial videos at any given time. A testimonial video is phenomenal for posting on your website, your landing page, or even repurposing in your square video memes. See how they all work together? You can also repurpose your video testimonials by typing out the testimonial and using the best parts on Twitter or on your website pages. You can also use the audio from your video testimonials in your main company video and your Who Am I video. What tips do you have for making videos for your business? Let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to take a look at the other comments as well. We have a fantastic community down below, and I hope that you'll join us there. And hey, one more thing before you go. If you enjoyed this video, then consider sharing it on Twitter or your other social media platforms. You don't just want to get great advice and then not share it with anybody, do ya? That's selfish. We've got tons more content on the channel designed for business owners who want to drive traffic, generate leads, and close more sales with online video. So don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.